Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can post Instagram story using your PC. So right now I'm using Instagram on my browser on my PC. Now to upload a story for this, what I need to do is first after I go to instagram.com and log in into my Instagram account on the browser, I need to click on the three dot at the top right corner. Once I click on the three dot, I need to click on over here where it says more tool. From inside more tool, I need to choose developer tools. Once I choose developer tools, it's going to show me something like this. What I need to do is from over here choose a random phone. So I'm going to go for iPhone XR. Once you do that, what you can do is just reload your page first. Once you reload your page, your Instagram is going to open up over here just like how it opens up on your phone, okay? And once it's going to give you access just like your phone. Now wait for some time now. Over here, as you guys can see, my Instagram just opened up like how it does on my phone. Once your Instagram opens up just like it opens up on your phone, you can just click on your story at the top and basically add a story from your phone. So I'm going to add this random screenshot as a story. Once I click on it, it's going to load for some time now. Now what I need to do is just click on over here, add to your story, and then it is going to be added to my story. Now from over here, you can choose any phone you want. So just keep that in mind, okay? So that is basically how you guys can upload story from your PC on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Now, due to my slow internet, it's loading, but in your case, if you have a fast internet, it's going to be instantly uploaded.